Hi guys, welcome back to Delish Fit Life. My name is Tia. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So today is all about Asian food and noodles to be exact. There are all types of different noodles, so I love going to the Asian market and just seeing all the different types of noodles, whether it's fresh noodles or dried noodles that you have to choose from. And they're so versatile, you can pretty much make them with any dish you like. Each of these noodle dishes has its own unique flavor, but all three are totally and absolutely delicious. If you're anything like me, then you love Asian dishes. I love Chinese food, Korean food, Vietnamese food, Thai food, you name it. So today I'm going to cover three bases, making some Thai curry noodles, which has like a creamy, just a little bit of savory and sweetness together, making some drunken noodles, which is a favorite Chinese street food that I learned to make several years ago, and also some Korean noodles, which are very savory and just very comforting, and with just a little bit of heat. For those of you who like spicy, you can alter it if you don't like this spice so much. So one thing that you will use a lot of when you're making Asian dishes is ginger. So I have a tip that I'd like to share with you guys. This will probably help some of you if you find yourself throwing away ginger. Then you won't have to do that anymore, because I used to throw away so much ginger, and I finally was like, wait a minute, I'm just buying this big plug of ginger and only using like an inch or two of it at the most. So what I started doing is peeling it, putting it in the freezer, and then anytime I have to use it, I'll just grate it up and grate up just the amount that I need in the recipe. It works out perfectly. There's no chunks of ginger, and the flavor dissolves beautifully into my recipes. You can use this when you're making teas, smoothies, or pretty much anything that you want to add ginger to. So if you want to learn how to make these three dishes, then keep watching. Alright, so that's it guys. 3 noodle dishes, 3 vegan noodle dishes, packed with flavor, packed with vegetables, packed with nutrients, everything you need. These dishes are perfect for lunch and dinner, perfect for on the go, and I hope you guys give them a try. Once again, if you have not subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And also, I'd like to know, what is your favorite Chinese dish and which one of these dishes do you think is you're gonna try first? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in my next video.